Welcome to DXT School. Today's lesson is about reading. Reflections on the craft. The actor's true calling. Dear aspiring artist, I trust this letter finds you well and your creative spirit vibrant. Your recent inquiry regarding the multifaceted world of acting prompted me to reflect deeply on the essence of this enigmatic profession. It is a common misconception that acting merely entails memorizing lines and adopting a persona. In reality, it is a profound journey into the human psyche, demanding not just raw talent but an extraordinary blend of empathy, discipline, and an unwavering commitment to truth. The superficial glamour often associated with the stars belies the rigorous dedication incumbent upon those who genuinely seek to master this craft. At its core, acting is the art of authentic portrayal, where an individual consciously inhabits a fictional character to evoke genuine emotion and foster understanding in an audience. This necessitates a meticulous deconstruction of the character's motivations, vulnerabilities, and aspirations, delving into nuances that might otherwise remain submerged. A true performer transcends superficial imitation, striving instead for a verisimilitude so compelling that the audience momentarily suspends disbelief, becoming utterly immersed in the narrative tapestry being woven before them. This process is often an arduous one, requiring countless hours of research, improvisation, rehearsal, and an often uncomfortable exploration of one's own emotional landscape to access the necessary depth and nuance. It is a constant negotiation between self and character, a delicate balancing act that defines the actor's unique contribution. Furthermore, the actor serves as a crucial interpreter of the human experience. Whether portraying historical figures, mythical beings, or everyday individuals, their work offers a potent lens through which we can examine our collective past, present, and potential futures. The impact of a truly transformative performance, therefore, cannot be overstated. Beyond entertainment, actors function as cultural conduits, mirroring society's complexities and challenging its ingrained preconceptions. Through their craft, stories are brought to life that might otherwise remain dormant, offering audiences a rare opportunity for catharsis, introspection, and enhanced empathy towards experiences far removed from their own. It is a profound responsibility, for the power to influence perception and stir the collective consciousness rests heavily upon their shoulders. This is why a perfunctory approach to acting can never truly resonate. Only through authentic engagement can a lasting impression be made and meaningful dialogue initiated. Therefore, should you ever contemplate a serious engagement with this demanding art form, understand that it calls for more than just a fleeting desire for recognition or admiration. It demands an insatiable curiosity about the human condition, a resilient spirit capable of navigating the inevitable rejections and rigorous self-critique, and an unwavering dedication to honing one's instrument, the self, body, and voice. The path is often fraught with uncertainty, yet the rewards, though frequently intangible, are immense. The unique satisfaction of truly connecting with another soul, albeit through the veil of fiction, and contributing to the timeless narrative of humanity. To truly act is to live many lives, and in doing so, to enrich our own and those of others. With best wishes for your artistic endeavors, sincerely, an enthusiast of the dramatic arts. Now let's move to the quiz. Listen carefully. According to the author, what is a key misconception about acting? A. That it primarily involves extensive travel and public appearances. B. That it is a glamorous career path devoid of genuine effort. C. That it is simply about memorizing lines and adopting a persona. D. That actors must always portray characters similar to themselves. So, what's your answer? Comment A, B, C or D below. The correct answer is in the pinned comment. If you learned something new, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. Find the full lesson and more free quizzes on school.dxt.ma. See you tomorrow for a new lesson.